If you're looking to freshen up that tired old pizza order, then McGlinn's Public House in Wenatchee might have just what you need. Using locally sourced ingredients, manager Ashley Watson and her team are creating unique and flavorful blends between meats, cheeses, and even blueberries.
You come into McGlinn's, it's super colorful, super playful. Like,
Yeah.
I wouldn't necessarily say we're like a hippie style, but we kind of are. I mean, we got farm to table food here. I mean, we make everything here almost from scratch.
So where was the inspiration behind the blueberry prosciutto? I mean, you hear pineapple and pepperoni, that's,
right,
salty and sweet.
Yeah.
So I guess, is that kind of a take on that?
Yeah, I mean, Jaime is the kitchen manager, and he's like, honestly, I just kind of wanted a twist. He had thought about it, and he was like, well, let's just try it out.
I hopped into the kitchen with Caden to see what all goes into this unusual pizza. We start with hand-tossed dough.
Hopefully don't drop it. Right?
On my face.
It happens.
Lay down a pesto base, some mozzarella, and then add some fresh dandelion greens tossed in a balsamic reduction.
Ashley said that this wasn't a hippie place, but it kind of is, right?
I've heard both ways.
We add prosciutto, caramelized fig and onion, then top it with even more cheese before this special creation goes in the oven.
When that comes out, that's when we hit it with the secret weapon.
Yeah, the blueberries.
Okay.
The important part.
All right, Ashley, check it out. Look what Cade and I just made. Well, Cade made it. I watched them. No, I love it when we can look at something that we would deem non-traditional. Because when I think of blueberries, I'm not thinking about pizza. I did not think this was going to work.
I know.
It is working.
It is.
It's perfect.
One of my, and that's why this is one of my favorite pizzas, because everything about it, just somehow you get a great bite no matter where you're at.
I love how savory it is. I love how sweet it is.
Yeah.
And that crust in that wood fire grill, that's perfect.
But what do the locals think about this unique and flavorful pizza?
The prosciutto you kind of expect, right? The blueberries have this sweet thing going on,
Yeah.
but you don't expect.
That'd be really good.
Okay.
Got the cheese, blueberry.
You weren't expecting it.
Yeah. That was gonna be really weird.
It's kind of a delightful thing. I'd have it again on purpose.